Mount Kelimutu National Park is the smallest of 6 national parks between Bali and the Nusa Tenggara Islands. Its size definitely doesn't matter much when it presents one of nature's most stunning beauties. Kelimutu, which means the boiling lake, refers to 3 lakes on the mountain. Each has its own set of colors and a unique moniker. However, all are said to be the last resting place of departed souls. Kelimutu lakes are unpredictable in terms of when and what color they will turn. The hues alternate between blue, green, and black at times, and white, red, and blue at others. The previous time a tourist saw one, it was dark brown, like a chocolate pond. The East Lake was once red, while the center lake was blue. Lake Kelimutu is part of the Kelimutu National Park and has a high visual value as well as a dreamlike experience. The highest peaks in the national park are Mount Kelabara at 5,679 feet, and Mount Kelimutu at 5,544 feet. The Floresian punai, Wallacea owl, Floresian cancellin, Floresian eagle, and Timorese tessia are among the 19 endemic and endangered wildlife protected by the park. The Kelimutu region is bordered by forest, which has forests that are uncommon in Flores. In addition to pines, there are casuarinas, redwood, and edelweiss. This side of Kelimutu Mountain has a healthy pine forest. The other side of the mountain is dry ground with sand and dirt that is exceedingly unstable. The local population thinks that Kelimutu Mountain is sacred and provides fertility to the surrounding landscape. Visitors can only wander around Lake Kelimutu. However, not all locations may be visited because they are unsafe and hence prohibited. If you want to go hiking from Moni to Kelimutu, there is a way that is shorter than the automobile access route. The distance from Moni to the summit is around 12 kilometers. The drive to the parking lot is 11 kilometers, and then tourists must walk for 30 minutes viaduct the walkway. Koanara hamlet in the Wulawuru sub-district is the nearest to Kelimutu and is around 66 kilometers from Endi or 83 kilometers from Maumere. Moni, at the foot of Kelimutu, is the nearest small town. It's the entrance of Lake Kelimutu. Moni and Kelimutu are 15 kilometers apart. You may take an ojek, a motorcycle taxi, a car, or public transit to a parking area at the summit of Kelimutu. Buses from Maumere to Endi will pass via Moni. The wooden pickup vehicle is known as bis kayu or oto kol. You must then hike for 30 minutes along the mountainside. Denpasar and Kupang have regular flights to Maumere. When at Labuan Bajo, please refer to the instructions on how to get there. The lakes of Mount Kelimutu are beautiful all year, but the best time to come is probably between April and November when Flores is clear and bright.